Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is acid, base and salts. Before going to acid, base and salts, we might have experienced in our daily life that acids that we use in our daily life is lemon, which contains citric acid. Some of the acids we use to clean our surfaces. Base, you might have heard in our daily life, and salts that we use in our kitchen, that is sodium chloride. So acid, base and salts are of immense importance in our daily life. So here today we are going to start the acid, base and salts. So in second slides that we will see that what are the characteristics features of the acid. So acid, if we take in our mouth, on the tongue, that is, it is sour in taste, and all the acid contains hydrogen ions. Suppose hydrochloric acid, HCl, so it contains hydrogen in it, so it contains hydrogen ions. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, it contains hydrogen in it. Nitric acid, HNO3, it also contains hydrogen in it. So all the acids contains hydrogen ion concentrations. And if we take the litmus paper, then it turns blue. When we take a litmus paper and put in dip into the acid, then it turns red. So blue litmus paper turns red. Again I am repeating, the blue litmus paper, if we put into the acid, it turns red. And other features of the acids, that is, when acid reacts with the salt, it produces hydrogen gas, and which are the good conductor of electricity. And the pH of acid is less than 7. We have the pH range from 1 to 12, 13. So 7 is the level where 1 to 7, that is the acid, and from 7 and above, that is base. So measure of the acid on the pH scale, that is less than 7. So it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as much as the level of pH is less, that is 1, 2, then it is strong acid. And if the pH level increases 6, 7, then it is weak acid. It means we are going towards the base side or alkali side. Base or alkali, also known as hydroxide. It means it has hydroxide ion. As the acid has hydrogen ion, hydroxide has base has hydroxide ion, means OH. In second slides that we see the example of the acids. In our house we use the vinegar, which you call sirka, and this vinegar or sirka is used as a preservatives when we prepare pickles in our house. And this vinegar is also known as acetic acid. Second example is lemon juice, which contains citric acid. Orange juice, this also contains citric acid. Curd, which we use in our house, that contains lactic acid. So all the acid, if you taste, it is sour in taste, means ये खट्टा होता है. Vinegar, lemon, orange juice, all these are sour in taste. Other examples, that is tamarind, amla, black tea, all these contains the acidic property, means they are sour in taste. So first features of the acid, that is they are sour in taste. Okay. Now about the acid. Curd, lemon, juice, orange, vinegar, all these are sour in taste, but these are good acid for us, useful acid for us. Whereas chemical acid, that is prepared in the laboratory, factory, like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, all these are the harmful. So these are natural acid which contain in the curd, lemon, juice, orange, all these are the natural acids. These substances taste sour because they contain acid. The chemical nature of substance is the acidic in nature, means they are acidic in nature. If something tastes sour, it means they are acidic in nature. The word acid comes from the Latin word acre, which means sour. The acid in these substances are natural acid, means they contain acid from the nature. We obtain these acid from the nature, that is from the plant. Some acid also we get from animals, like in the curd we get the lactic acid. So since we get this acid from the animals, so these acids are the source from the animal sources. Okay. In the next slides that we see, these are the name of the some of the acids and where it is found in our body. Hydrochloric acid, that is secreted from the stomach. In stomach we have gastric glands which produces hydrochloric acid. Sulfuric acid is used in the car batteries. Nitric acid is used in the explosive or to clean the metals. Acetic acid, which is also known as vinegar, and this vinegar is used in our household materials. The carbonic acid, which is also known as soda, this carbonic acid is used in the soft drinks, cold drinks, and when you just cheer the soft drink, cold drinks, it comes up from the bottle and it contains the gas that is known as carbon dioxide. So likewise other acids, that is phosphoric acid, formic acid. The formic acid is present in the ant's bite. When any ant bites us, we feel pain in our body or in the skin. That pain or skin is due to the presence of formic acid, because formic acid is present in the body of ants. Now citric acid, which is present in lemon and oranges, amla, which is useful for us. Then lactic acid present in the curd. So here we find the different kinds of the acids. Then come to base. The property of base, how we could find that this is the base or this is the acid or this is the salt. As earlier I said you, the base is hydroxide, so it is bitter in taste. Acid is sour in taste, but base is bitter in taste, and it is soapy in touch. When you touch the soap and it becomes slippery. Likewise base is also soapy in touch. It means the soap that we use in our house, in our daily life, they contain base, they are hydroxide. When water soluble base are present in any substance, that is they are called alkali. So any base which is soluble in water, they are called alkalis. And all the alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkali. It means all the bases are not soluble in water. Only those bases which is soluble in water, they are called alkali. And as you have seen that the acid turns blue litmus red, here just opposite. The base turns red litmus blue. And as far as the pH level is concerned, the pH level of the base is greater than 7, means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So as much as the level of or reading of base increases, they will be strong base. So from 7 it is 8, 9, 10, but for the acid it is less than 7. Okay, and any substance which has the 7 pH, it means they are neutral, neither acid nor base. Any substance which has 7 pH value, that substance are neutral in nature, means neither acid nor base. As for example water, if you take the water and taste it, water has no taste, neither it is acid nor base. So water is a good example of the neutral substance which is neither acid nor base. So up till here we have seen what is acid. Acid are the substances which is sour in taste, and base is the substance which is bitter in taste. And salt is a substance which is formed when acid and base reacts. When acid and base reacts, it forms salt and water. In next slides we will see the salts. Okay, thank you.